We're doing a PlayStation 4 controller, taking the battery out. So I already did it for you guys. I already took out the screws. Haven't changed the battery yet, but that's what happens. I ordered this kit, and it came with a battery, and it came with a screwdriver, and of course the tool, blah blah blah. It wasn't bad. It was like what, $17. So anyway, this little screwdriver here. I tried to use a normal small Phillips head screwdriver, but it wouldn't work. So that's before I got the kit. So now I got the kit. I used the screwdriver that they gave us. So basically, yeah, I took off all the little Phillips head screws. Yeah, look at these screws. Yeah, see? Which I kind of like don't like this because it when I was pressing on, trying to take the screws out of the PlayStation controller, I almost felt like I was gonna strip the screws, the heads of the screws. So anyway, I got them all out with that, whatever, blah blah blah. So anyway, so yeah, basically this is the old battery, and the reason why I'm changing batteries is because, of course, it's not holding the charge like it used to. So that's what I'm doing. So okay, let's get started here. Taking out the battery, of course, replacing it, paying attention to how I'm going to replace the battery. There's a little thing here that I'm going to end up using this to lift it up, to try to get it, because I know these prongs here are tiny, and any little mishap can cause the prongs to break. You need patience for this. Oh, so I use my fingernail. That's a tool. And I use this. This broke off when I was trying to open this darn thing to get it off. But anyway, whatever. So this is the new battery. So I'm gonna replace it in the same way. I don't think there's a certain way. This is obviously this is my first time doing this, so I don't think there's a certain, So I just gotta. Yeah, there is. I'm sorry, I scratched that. There's a certain way. You gotta make sure that how you pulled it out is the same. How you took it out is the same way you put it back in. So I gotta get over here. Sorry guys, my camera woman. Something's wrong with her. I'm just joking. But I'm just gonna. Okay, let's give it like that. So yeah. So it's very important to put it back in the same way you took it out. So you see, there's a slit here, and that right there, and it goes on here just like that. So you gotta put it right back the same way you got it in. Because from what I heard, if you don't do it the same way, you're destroying. You're gonna destroy the prongs. So I'm that it's on. I'm just making sure that it's in there, because when I put everything back together, see, and they also put, you see, I don't know if you guys can see this, like a hook. You can tuck the wire. You can tuck the wires on there. Hold on. Oh, shoot. Just making sure everything's, as you kids say now these days, or people, Gucci. I have to make sure everything's, I don't know if it comes on. No, because, oh, I'm trying to test it, guys. So I'm just trying to see if it'll work without, but obviously not, because I found out because some of the videos that I've seen taking the PlayStation controller out, I didn't see this ribbon, and it seems like it's a power cord. It's like a power. It's a strip. It's a power strip that feeds into the USB connector when it charges. So I believe that it needs to connect in here, because when I manhandled the controller, I didn't see this, so I'm assuming that it's, for that. Well, I'm pretty sure it is, because it's a slot there, and the way this is shaped, look like a snake is gonna attack you. Look at Cobra. Anyway, it goes in that way. So making sure that I put this in. Filming. Yeah, this is pretty, I don't know if this has anything to do with the controller not turning on. I have no clue, but I guess we'll find out. I'm gonna put it in there. It's in. Had to finagle it a little bit, but we're gonna see. I'm not gonna put the screws in yet, just in case I screwed up on it. So, there we go. Just like that. Oops. I guess nothing. Usually when you get batteries, or they at least have a half a charge in it, but this one is not, this one's not even turning on.